If your car is under 60,000 miles, there's a high chance one premium feature will fail before the engine ever does. From expensive headlights to glitchy infotainment screens and faulty sensors, modern cars are packed with upgrades that look good, but cost you big later. Today we're exposing 17 Unwise upgrades ruining new cars. And at the end, I'll share 3 upgrades that actually save you money. Number 17. Giant touchscreens. At first glance, a massive touchscreen looks sleek, modern, and high-tech. It controls everything: music, navigation, climate settings, seat heating, even driving modes. But what seems like convenience quickly turns into a liability. One glitch, one freeze, or one software bug, and suddenly you lose access to critical functions. In some cars, you can't even adjust the temperature or view essential driving information. Worse, some systems are tied directly to starting or operating the vehicle. Unlike traditional controls, there's no backup, no physical buttons, nothing to rely on when the system fails. And when it does fail, repairs can cost thousands. On top of that, using a touchscreen while driving is far more distracting than simply turning a knob or pressing a button. What used to take a second now requires attention, making it a safety risk. Number 16. Over-engineered turbocharged small engines. Small engines used to be simple and reliable. Naturally aspirated, fewer components, less heat, and less stress. But modern engines are crammed with turbochargers, direct injection systems, sensors, and complex software. While they produce impressive power and efficiency on paper, they work much harder in real-world conditions. More boost means more heat, and more heat leads to faster wear. Carbon buildup becomes a serious issue, especially in direct injection engines. Turbos can fail, oil consumption increases, and maintenance costs rise quickly. These engines are built for performance numbers, not long-term durability. The result? Shorter lifespans and more expensive repairs. Number 15. Complex LED headlight assemblies. LED headlights were meant to be an upgrade, brighter, longer-lasting, and more efficient. But modern designs have taken things too far. What used to be a simple bulb replacement is now a fully sealed unit packed with electronics, sensors, and custom components. If one part fails, you can't just replace a bulb. You replace the entire assembly. Even minor damage, like a small crack from a stone, can lead to a massive repair bill. Some headlight units cost more than used engines. Labor costs are also high due to the complexity. It's a perfect example of over-engineering turning a simple fix into an expensive problem. Number 14. Subscription-based features. This is where things start to feel frustrating. You buy a car, pay full price, and then discover certain features are locked behind monthly subscriptions. Heated seats, remote start, and even driving modes, features that are already physically installed in your car, require ongoing payments to use. Miss a payment and they stop working. This shifts ownership into a rental-like experience. You're constantly paying just to maintain full functionality. And if the service shuts down or the car is resold, those features may disappear entirely. It's pure profit for manufacturers and long-term inconvenience for owners. Number 13. Panoramic glass roofs. Panoramic roofs look luxurious, but they come with serious drawbacks. They add significant weight to the top of the car, affecting handling and stability. They also turn the interior into a greenhouse, making the air conditioning work harder. Leaks are another common issue. Drain channels clog, seals wear out, and water can damage interior electronics. And if the glass cracks, replacement costs can be extremely high. Number 12. Gloss black interior trim. Gloss black finishes may look premium in a showroom, but they quickly become a nightmare in daily use. They attract fingerprints, dust, and scratches almost instantly. Even careful use won't prevent wear. Over time, the interior starts to look worn and dirty, even if the car is relatively new. Sunlight reflections can also create distracting glare while driving, adding another layer of annoyance. Number 11. Low-profile tires on regular cars. Low-profile tires may look sporty, but they're impractical for everyday driving. They provide less cushioning, meaning every bump and pothole hits harder. This leads to bent rims, damaged tires, and an uncomfortable ride. They're also more expensive to replace, and unless you're driving aggressively on a track, the performance benefits are minimal. Number 10. Fake engine sounds. Some modern cars use speakers to simulate engine noise. Instead of hearing the real engine, you hear an artificial sound designed to make the car feel more powerful. This adds unnecessary complexity and often feels unnatural. Over time, it becomes more annoying than exciting. Number 9. Touch-sensitive steering controls. Replacing physical buttons with touch-sensitive controls may look futuristic, but it reduces usability. Without tactile feedback, drivers struggle to use them accurately. Accidental inputs become common, and the system can behave inconsistently. This creates distraction and frustration, exactly what steering wheel controls are supposed to eliminate. Number 8. Auto start-stop systems. Designed to save fuel, these systems shut off the engine at stops and restart it when you move. In reality, they add wear to the starter motor and battery. The fuel savings are often minimal, while the added stress on components can lead to earlier failures. Number 7. Massive wheels as sport packages. Oversized wheels may look impressive, but they negatively impact performance. They add weight, reduce acceleration, increase braking distance, and strain the suspension. Repairs and replacements are also expensive. Number 6. Fully digital gauge clusters. Digital dashboards look modern but come with reliability concerns. If the screen fails, you lose critical information like speed and warnings. Repairs are costly, and software glitches can create inaccurate readings. Number 5. Electric pop-out door handles. These handles look sleek but are prone to failure. They can freeze in cold weather, jam due to dirt, or stop working entirely due to electrical issues. What used to be a simple mechanism becomes a costly repair. Number 4. Sensor-filled front grills. Modern grills house cameras, radar, and sensors, but they're placed in vulnerable positions. Even minor impacts can damage them, leading to expensive recalibration and repairs. Number 3. Lane keep assist issues. While designed for safety, some systems interfere with driving. They can misinterpret road markings and unexpectedly steer the car, creating confusion and risk. Number 2. Touchscreen climate controls. Simple controls like adjusting temperature now require navigating menus. This increases distraction and reduces usability. When the system fails, you lose control over basic comfort features. Number 1. Keyless entry vulnerabilities. Keyless systems are convenient but introduce security risks. Signals can be intercepted, allowing thieves to unlock and start vehicles without physical access. Owners often need additional security measures just to stay safe. Now, not all upgrades are bad. Some actually protect your car and save you money. Smart upgrade number 3. Protective film for headlights and sensors. This acts as a barrier against damage from debris and minor impacts. It's a small investment that prevents costly repairs. Smart upgrade number 2. Oil catch can. It helps prevent carbon buildup in modern engines by capturing contaminants before they reach critical components. Smart upgrade number 1. Smaller wheels with thicker tires. Switching to smaller wheels with thicker tires improves comfort, protects suspension components, and reduces long-term wear. It's one of the simplest ways to extend your car's lifespan. Modern cars are more advanced than ever, but not every upgrade is an improvement. Many add complexity, cost, and risk without delivering real benefits. Understanding which features actually help and which ones hurt can save you thousands and keep your car running longer.